gonna fucking mash you up, man. No joke.
Oh, it's got a piggish.
Hell yeah, dude.
My dad will mash your dad up, swear down. I don't want a dog to follow it. Thickums battery.
Hello, this is Patrick.
Hello, battery. Oh no, why is he coming over here? That's not good.
Which used to be from the village like that.
I'm gonna have to wait until the dog goes.
There he is.
The power.
That's nice. That's a nice drone right there.
Bit of a drone. Welcome to Joe's Drone. So this is what I want. Thoughts? Prayers? Well, film from up here, I think it's a good point time to look at.
Yeah, you fucking endo, is he?
I'll cut this audio off.
Oh dear.
Owen. The bearer of drone.
Yep.
Hey, windmill getting a through fight. It's fucking scum.
Let's go for it.
I do love that.
Switch warning.
Ooh. What is wrong here?
Is it Morse code?
It's
Destroy.
it's not Morse codes, but it is codes. God.
Freeze it off right now, dude. This is some dope footage, though.
Ah, I found it.
What wrong?
Air mode was on. I don't want it to be on. So now it's not.
Air mode? Don't you mean sicko mode?
Sicko mode activated.
Damn. Oh, the exposure will fuck. Where even is it? Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ. He just yeeted himself. Can you do something, please? Yeah. Could you bring him closer? Yeah. Here. Can you keep him still? Oh, okay. Trying to focus on it. Oh! I go manual. Can you lift him up and then lower him down? Oh! Oh! Yeah, that's fine. I didn't realise how difficult it was to keep him actually still. He is. I know. it could just plonk into the mud at any time. I'm struggling. Every time it gets focus again, it loses it immediately. There you go. Nice.
I don't want to land it in the mud.
Skills.
Well done. You have passed.
I need to see how warm the battery is. It's not very warm, actually. Quite good.
Is it?
Now we can see. So I've got 3 more. Also, I've got this. This will be good because I can see how much battery is
This is like a YouTube video, isn't it?
Hands
I don't
are
know. I'm just cold right now.
Yeah, hands are bare cold.
My hands are.
That's
Oh.
good to learn.
How is my shorts going to affect my hands though?
Because like, for the top next to the then not dropping your hands into the cold.
That's not how it works.
Yeah, it's
No, fuck it. My hands are cold because the heat is leaving my hands. If I wore gloves, the heat would leave my hands less.
Oh.
Is it in grass?
Hello, this is grass.
Can you see the camera looking at you, him?
cool. Rubbish.
Interrogating you. This is like kind of surreal though.
My battery wire's got a bit dodgy. I can see you.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, that's a fucking shot right there.
I wish I could take a picture of this.
Oh, that's weird.
Can I have a look?
Yeah,
That's very mental.
might have pulled off.
Oh, that's actually sick. That's like a. It looks like something out of a fucking 90s music video.
Yeah.
I want to play with
Or
this.
something out like one of those films where they have like small people looking up.
Oh yeah, the super wide angle. Can I try and film inside the fuel?
Yeah, this is really dodgy. The power wires have like, I think they come loose. So if I just wiggle this, you can tiny amount of turns on. Maybe risk it.
No, I don't want to like jam the camera in there. I just want to see if I can focus on it, but probably not, right?
Maybe it'll do. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that's kind of dope.
Nuts.
Hey. That's dope.
Oh man.
Still like a table. Keep it still.
This is 10 minutes of footage right now.
All this around. What's the
It's
next?
crazy.
I'll just make it a 10-minute video.
I'm gonna have to fix this.
I don't actually know if the audio's. Oh, I hope it is. The mic's on.
I might do one.
Yeah, it's on auto as well. Oh, I might have just switched the thing off that shows it.
I might do one more battery and then go home.
It was cold.
Because cold, and also because I can't fly with my goggles, which is sad.
So, why not?
Because they keep the. Because I just said the.
Oh, the wiggly.
Yeah.
Wiggly wiggle.
Even
That's
if you
warm.
wiggle it just a little bit.
Wow.
It's not too warm though. It's pretty good.
Give us a go, how
My
warm?
old batteries used to be. My old battery used to get like hot.
Oh, these are the
It's quite nice.
Too much put in your bag.
No thanks.
Too much put on top.
Yes, please. So they're going to mix up the used ones and the non-used ones.
It's over.
Oh,
My fingers are like dead as fuck right now.
I like.
honestly,
That's
same.
just You should try and put them in your pockets.
Oh, I'll get back there.
now you're showing everyone your stomach's view.
Well, what?
Stomach view.
Yeah. Knob cam.
Shit, I almost plugged it in the wrong way around. guys.
Oh, on knob. Are they proper quality XT60s?
Yeah, they're quite good.
Not like the ones you palmed off on me.
Yeah, I got those ones off Bang Good.
Uh,
I don't remember them being that hard to take apart though. So
bang good, more like bang bad.
maybe, it's probably just the tolerances are so different between all of them that like sometimes they add up to be really tight.
Oh, I
And
see.
sometimes they don't. What? Ah, my hands are good. I wanna use the goggles and like do backflips underneath the rugby balls.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to do. But I can't run now.
I think there might actually be a tracking focus mode on this, but I can't for the life of me figure out how to do it. For the life of me. Don't get it near the cars there.
That was a risky one. I quite like doing this, like going up.
Oh, it's all purple and shit. Ha.
Oh, that was snappy.
All of this is fucking out of focus. I'm so sad.
What's this? What about this? What about this?
Nice. I actually caught that one. Yes. Oh, and that one too. Almost.
Lowest to ground split ever.
Nice. Ha ha ha.
This is stable. Quite bad though.
You yeeted into light speed. Yeah, the camera didn't see anything though, so. Faster than light travel. Whoa! Oh my god. Yeah. Can you not yeet down? Or is that too dangerous? Dude.
I have to unflip myself. Me and my drone.
Nice shot. Oh, can we get a picture of the drone and then you in the background?
Yeah.
No, it's too close. Do you want to bring it forward a bit? It only needs to focus in like for a second, because then I can cut the, I can like take a picture of that from the video.
I'm getting too cold now.
Yeah, same. I don't think my camera has the depth of field for it. I don't think my lens has the right depth of field. Ooh. Getting a little bit of a dark anyway.
He dead.
He dead. Beep in.
Look, I got beat bust. Beat.
Nice.
Let's find it. Yeah.
Hello, this is Beep. Well, that's pretty much the end of our how much this can record at any one time anyway, so. Nice, nice.